Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk adding new users in Google Workspace using Foresight. Using Foresight, bulk adding new users saves time and effort by allowing administrators to add multiple users simultaneously. This streamlines, particularly when dealing with large organizations or frequent user additions. Foresight's bulk adding feature ensures efficiency and accuracy, reducing the risk of manual errors. Overall, it simplifies user management and enhances productivity within Google Workspace. Here are some benefits of bulk adding new users in Google Workspace using Foresight. It saves time, enables you to better utilize your resources, saves costs as well, leading to more revenue, increases productivity. Let's see how Foresight helps in managing this scenario easily without coding. Instructions. We will divide this use case into two parts. Part 1. Preparing a new user's CSV list. Part 2. Creating new users by that CSV list. For the Part 1, see the video in the I button that explains how to export users' CSV list. Here is the CSV list format. You can choose the columns whichever you want. Then, remove the existing user's data and add the new user's data. Here are the sample 10 new users that we are going to add. Now, follow the Part 2. To create Rule 2, click on the New Rule Plus button. Select the Data Uploaded trigger and upload the CSV file. Click Next. Select Generate Password action. Click Add Next action. Select the Create User action. Select the first name, last name, primary email, generate password, and organizational unit path. Click on Add Next action and select the email action. Then you have to select the secondary work email in the To field. Give a subject, such as New User Account Details, in the subject field. Next, add an email body. Press the variable via icon to enter some variables like first name, last name, email, generate password, email aliases, and org unit path. Click Review. Give a rule name, Bulk Account Creation. Click Create. Now, let's trigger the second part of this rule. Click the Upload icon and upload the same CSV file again. You will get some notification after the successful rule trigger. Now, verifying the result. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right corner. Click on it and then click View Log. You can also go to the Logs page from the left sidebar. The logs show the successful triggering of the rule. Also, a user got the new account creation email on her secondary email. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well.